Hi, it's Amy here for Citrus Twist Kits, and I am going to be using some of the scrapbooking add-on today for the layout that I want to show you. And I've grabbed a couple of pieces from the ephemera package, and then I've got the Bella Boulevard hearts, the enamel hearts, or epoxy hearts rather, sorry, and the puffy heart stickers from the main kit. And then I've got both alphas, the alphabet from the add-on, and then as well the alphabet from the kit. Oh, actually, no, this one's from the shop. This is like the light blue color. I think the kit is more of like an orangey one, but I wanted to go with this mint to match my ephemera pieces here. And then I've also got the labels from the add-on kit. So what I started with here was just a piece of the pink grid paper. And I'm going to be using that on this side, and this is where my journaling is going to go, and I've got my photos already in my Instax page protector, and I am just counting down the days until those are in the shop. And I'm going to start by adding, I love this size of this light blue alpha because it's so versatile, and I'm going to add some words directly onto my photos here. And I think I also want some of these epoxy hearts. I like that these are just a little bit of a different quality from the puffy hearts. They're not quite the exact same. So there's one photo. And then my other one here, I wanted to add this little, oh, this might be a little big. Maybe if I fold it around the bottom of my photo. And then I wanted this orange in with that. I think that'll be a really nice complement. Okay, and then I'm just going to tuck that back in. Now, I also really like these little numbers, and I was hoping to layer them just on top of this blue paper, just to give it a little bit more depth and allow me to leave those kind of unembellished. I'm not going to add anything to those ones. Oh, actually though, I might. See, this is what I love about a design just kind of starting to take its own life as you start working on it, and it ends up being something totally different than you first imagined, and it almost always turns out way better than you first imagined. Oh yeah, I really love that. Now this big yellow flower is too big. I'm going to cut it down because it's not going to fit. And especially if I try to kind of redo this idea with the label, it's going to be way too big for sure. But in the mess of my desk, do you think I can find some scissors? And the answer to that is definitely not. Now I am going to keep the other half of this flower, because that's a really good way to get the other side to tie in. Okay, label. Good, now on this side, I do like the idea of repeating that label, but I also really want to use this, and I think that's going to be perfect there. And this side is just going to be for my journaling. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I love using grid paper for alphabet stickers because it's a lot more likely that I won't make a terrible mistake. I really love this coral alphabet. It's such a great color, and it really goes well with all the other pieces I've pulled here. And okay, so there's the journaling side with the big title. And then on this side, I'm just gonna add, I shouldn't have slipped them back in. I don't know why I did. It's gonna add and there. So I hope this inspires you to pull out your scrapbooking add-on and maybe a few pieces from your kit to get your memories in your album. Have a great Saturday.